I need your advice on dealing with Gold Star dehumidifier problems.
If you had a power outage, it is not going to turn back on itself. And if there's a buggy electrical connection, it may not work because of the several-minute safety shutdown after a power outage.
That stinks.
If the unit smells, it may be mold and mildew in the water bucket. The manual says to rinse it with mild detergent, but do not run it through the dishwasher.
That's a stupid warning. It's a thin plastic that would warp in the dishwasher.
Anytime you see a weird warning, not only did someone do it, they sued because they did not know they shouldn't do it. At least your unit isn't catching fire.
It's a dehumidifier, cold and wet, it cannot catch fire.
It is an appliance with electrical connections and motors, and the Gold Star dehumidifiers were recalled in 2011 for that issue.
I bought the unit after that.
Then the 2013 recall for the same issue may affect you, whereas the 2009 recall is way before your unit's time.
You have to give them credit for consistency, if not product quality.
You'd think the worst problem they had was the instructions in the manuals themselves for drilling holes in the unit to install the hose so you can continuously drain the unit.
When the manufacturer has to have standard instructions to engineer a solution, instead of engineering the product to do something so standard, you know they have a problem.
The more common issues are the humidity control and fan speed knobs being rather inaccurate. So you have to crank up the fan for good measure and the humidity down to prevent the room feeling like a Louisiana swamp.
It is in the basement, not the bedroom, so it is more like a cold bog.
Most Gold Star dehumidifiers are not rated for temperatures below 65, so you're going to have it ice over in most basements.
It has a de-icer control or something.
It has a defrost control that shuts off the compressor when it thinks it has iced over, switching to fan mode. Unfortunately, that fan could run a long time to defrost the unit in a borderline climate.
I do not want to think that the solution for my dehumidifier acting like a glorified air filter is breaking out a blow dryer.
If it gets stuck in defrost control mode, you have to turn it off, but wait at least 3 minutes before you turn it on. But wait at least 3 minutes before you turn it on, because it won't work before then because of safety measures.
So power cycle it to try to fix it, but not too fast or it won't work.